Hey everyone. I wanted to show how battery life affects the transmission output of your handheld radio. So basically, I have my Kenwood D75. I've got it hooked up to an SWR meter, and I'm going to turn the backlight on, and it's going to beacon APRS packets every 3 minutes. And we're just going to let it run. It's just going to beacon. I picked my Kenwood because it drops down. The battery life is just horrible on these. But as you can see, kind of with a full battery, when it transmits, it's putting out about 4.3 watts. And we're just going to let this kind of do its thing over time, come back over the next couple hours and just watch the performance, the output wattage drop as time goes on. So we're beaconing right now, and we'll see how it goes. So coming back about an hour later, you can see the battery level has dropped probably about a quarter. So we're about three quarters, 75%. And we're still beaconing every 3 minutes. And, everything's going on. But we started at 4.3 watts, looking over at the meter. And we've already lost about 20 watts or zero point 0.2 watts of output. So as the voltage drops, we're going to see the output wattage drop as well, kind of going just below half of the battery. It's not a perfect. This is not a perfect battery meter. It's very imprecise, but really, we're just trying to show this over time. So as we progress and the voltage continues to drop, we're now at about 3.96 watts of output power. So as time goes on, you can kind of see the performance is just getting worse and worse. So if you're out on a race course, you're out in the field, as your batteries keeps becoming depleted, if you are having a hard time getting into your the repeater or making contacts with net control, it's just going to get worse as time goes on. So looking here, again, probably about 25% battery. We're at 3.52 watts. So we've lost about a watt of output, for this radio. And finally, I got busy and wasn't paying attention, and the radio actually ended up dying. But the SWR meter was able to capture the last transmission. And you can see kind of towards the end, we got about 2.67 watts. So, if you're out in the field and you're getting below, well below halfway of your battery's capacity, you're about half battery and you're having trouble making contacts, you're going to have to swap the battery. That's why we want to carry spare batteries when we're doing public service events, just to make it, make sure we can contact net control, make sure we can be effective. But anyway, I just wanted to show you real quick. It was very unscientific, but it gives you a down and dirty look at, as your battery's capacity is diminished, so is your transmit power. I hope this helps y'all, and I'll see you later.